In this video, I'm going to show you a new Midjourney feature which can help you create amazing print-on-demand graphics. So the feature we're going to use today is their new version of the Niji mode. And Niji, in case you didn't know, gives you images a bit of an anime feel, and I've gotten really good results here for animals, for fruit, for nature themed topics. So lots and lots of options to create cool graphics to help you out with your print on demand designs. To access this new mode, just type in /settings, then hit enter, and you're going to see it right here next to this Apple emoji. So just click on this and it will add Niji 5 to the end of your prompts. Now we just put /imagine and type in something along the lines of a wolf wearing a karate outfit. For example, you can do lots of different outfits. I've tried it out with police, with military, and it does seem to do a really good job. So that's something you can do. As you can see by this example, there is an avocado themed cat, so you can mix different objects together quite well with this mode. Really, really interesting. You're not always going to get a perfect result first try, but if you give it multiple attempts and create some variations, it definitely can do well. Now, what I also like to add to the end of my prompts is something along the lines of isolated on a white background or dark background, for example, because that just really helps with using these graphics afterwards if you want to cut out the background and create a PNG image. Another thing you could do is you could use this for poster designs. For example, if you don't want to have like an isolated background for t-shirt designs, then you could do something along the lines of /imagine, let's say a cyborg dog in space. You could add something to the end like maybe colorful, and I would put --AR 5:7. That's quite a good poster aspect ratio, and then just hit enter. We'll add Niji to the end, and we're going to get an anime themed cyborg dog in space. So this way you can create some nice poster designs as well, or maybe postcards, just something in a tall format that you could sell as print on demand products. It could work for phone cases too, which you can sell on merch by Amazon, for example. So definitely some ideas there in terms of how to use this. The wolf with a karate outfit has come back now, and we can see there's some really, really cool and interesting results. And I have found as well that for the most part, not every time, but for the most part, the hands also look quite decent here, especially with these ones. There's often a bit of a boxing pose, and whilst the fingers are not always exactly 5, I don't think that's even like a necessity with anime. We're not an expert, but usually with cartoons, the fingers don't have to be exactly 5. But for the most part, they do look very realistic, which is the main objective here, I think. So you can see the style is a bit different from the usual t-shirt graphics that I would create. But it definitely does look quite interesting. So let's just look through some of my recent upscales to do with this Niji mode so you get some more inspiration. Here's some cyborg dogs. This prompt also has neon colors in there. That's why we get this nice sort of lighting around the edge right here. We've got some more space dogs, a fox wearing a karate outfit. We've got some American flag themed graphics as well, which I've been playing around with for July the 4th or Independence Day. Here I put American flag badge, so that might be an interesting keyword for you to try out to get more of a sort of rounded off badge type design, which is once again quite handy for print on demand. We've got some tree graphics right here, which are quite useful as decorative elements or just in a big fashion for nature or gardening lovers. We've got strawberries, which I think turned out amazing, and that shows once again another idea of how to use it for food objects. That could be some interesting niche to enter there for you. We've got a panda wearing headphones, which I think came back with some cool results. It doesn't have to be a complicated prompt. I mean, look at this, panda wearing headphones. Perfect. I don't think I even added isolate it to this prompt, and it still turned out pretty cool. This one also quite decent. There's definitely a lot of potential. Here's some poster attempts that I did. This is a beautiful Asian house with a red roof located by a lake. And I do think this turned out really, really nice with the reflection in the lake as well. Got a bird wearing a military outfit, which looks quite cool and interesting. And then some graphics from the other day. We've got an American flag themed unicorn, which turned out really, really cool. We've got a motorbike, so even vehicles you can generate with this mode in a custom fashion with an American flag on there. And we've got an American flag bulldog. Again, simple prompt, but it turned out quite interesting. Maybe not easy to cut out for a t-shirt, but you can just see what's possible right here with the results. So I hope you have fun playing around with this mode. It's definitely super interesting, super nice quality results. that you can utilize for your print-on-demand business. If you struggle to find good color schemes for your t-shirt designs, then this video could probably help you out because I show you how to create some really nice color palettes with Midjourney.